You might have heard the terms upstream tasks and downstream tasks in perspective of foundation models in AI. In this video, I'm going to explain the difference between these two terms in as simple words as possible. Upstream tasks are upon which your model is dependent. That is, the input which includes training data for the model. Whereas downstream tasks are which get affected by the model. That is, the output which includes things like sentiment analysis, image captioning, object recognition, etc. So just to recap, both of these terms, upstream tasks and downstream tasks in perspective of AI are used when we are talking about foundation models. Upstream tasks are upon which your model is dependent, and when the model is dependent, it is when your algorithm needs a training data and your algorithm creates a model on the basis of that training data. So that is upstream task. And then when you give a prompt to your model and it generates an output, that is where the tasks are called as upstream tasks because they get affected by model. So I hope that this is clear to you now. If you have any questions, please put it in the comment section. Thank you.